So I think many of us, maybe why we take an interest in Buddhism in the first place is because we're looking for meaning. We're looking for purpose. We're thinking, what's my purpose? What's the meaning of my life? What's the sort of ultimate goal of my existence? We have these sort of existential questions that maybe then sort of are a catalyst for our pursuing a spiritual path. And what our spiritual guide says is that the real meaning of our human life is the attainment of enlightenment. That's the real purpose of a human life like ours. Like its real purpose, or ultimate purpose, is to attain enlightenment for the benefit of others. So if we begin to believe that, then that also can function to help us have this wish to attain enlightenment. Because we understand we have this potential, we develop a wish to fulfill this potential by attaining enlightenment. So one of the examples I'd like to think about sometimes is, say for example you own a really fast, expensive sports car, like a Lamborghini. A car that has the potential to go from, say, 0 to 60 in 60 seconds or 2.5 seconds, or it has the potential to go 200 miles an hour. You can take that car to the grocery store and back. You can drive to the bank and back. You can drive around the parking lot. But that's not really what it's meant for, is it? So you won't really be satisfied just doing that with that car. Most people would want to take it out in the open road and see what it can really do. So in a similar way, if we think about our precious human life, what our spiritual guide is saying is it has the potential to be the quick path to enlightenment. And if we realize this, then are we really satisfied just like taking it to the grocery store, or taking it to the post office, taking it to the bank? We can use our life in that way to acquire possessions, acquire positions, acquire experiences, acquire relationships. We can do that. But its real purpose is something far greater. And if we're in touch with that, then we have that kind of mind that thinks, I want to see what it can really do. I want to see what I can really do with this human life. Buddha's telling me, my spiritual guide's telling me, I can do so much more with this human life than just that.